What?
Cheating is bad.
Why?
Because cheating means finding another girl for another boy.
And then?
That means you don't have boyfriend or you don't have girlfriend. I told you.
Who is your girlfriend now? Do you have a...
It's you, Mama.
I'm not your girlfriend.
I'm your girlfriend.
You're a girl?
No, I'm a boyfriend.
You're a boyfriend?
Yeah, because I'm a boy.
Oh, but you're still young.
But I want you only.
About nanay?
Yeah,
Mm.
but I want...
That's cheating. You have
But I
two
hate
girls.
cheating.
Oh, you only need one girl.
Yeah, I want you only.
Mm. And then, what will happen?
Love together.
And then?
And kiss.
And then?
And I love you.
Pangit. What else?
Forever.
Where's my ring?
And it's in the bag.
Oh, you misplaced it na. Hey.
I don't know where is it now.
Oh.
I didn't see it now. In that bag.
What's that ring for?
From Kuromi. Kuromi from Marika's
From
birthday.
Kuromi, and then
Marika's
that?
birthday.
You gave me a ring. What's that? Ano? What's the meaning of that?
I forgot now what his name. He's a new character.
No.